Hi, my name is Anthony Ortega. I'm an application specialist at Armacell. My role is to teach installation installers and contractors how to properly install Armacell installation and accessories on mechanical systems. We are often asked questions about the type of hands-on instruction that Armacell provides. In this video, I will review 3 topics about our free AQIP certified training program. What's AQIP and how does one become eligible for certification training? How long the certification lasts? What it means to be certified and how this affects extended warranties. Installing flexible foam installation and accessory requires a unique skill set. And to help you learn those skills, we've developed a program called AQIP, the Armacell Qualified Installer Program. First, we ask installation installers and contractors to submit a training application to your Armacell sales rep. If you don't know your rep, you can ask your installation distributor to introduce you or contact us through armacell.com. After review your application, we'll invite you and your team to start the program, which consists of 2 parts. The first part is our online prerequisite course we call AQIP 101. Training will be completed by 20% of the installers or staff at a particular company location. It is a self-paced 35-minute online course that is available 24/7. You can even take it on your smartphone. Once your team has completed the online portion, you're ready to schedule part 2, which we call AQIP 201. It's a hands-on in-person session that can be scheduled at a time and location that's convenient for you. During the hands-on session, the installers will be trained in the following: recommended tools for working with flexible foam materials, proper handling, cutting, gluing, and sealing of flexible foam, tips for working with adhesives and coatings, techniques to custom fabricate fittings like T's and elbows, multi-layer insulating of pipework, how to use our pipe support and saddle system. Once your team is trained, the company is AQIP certified, and that certification lasts 2 years. In order to be recertified, your team will take AQIP 202, another short online course to refresh your skills. Then a new 2-year recertification will be issued. By earning AQIP certification, your business is added to our database of certified companies, which is then promoted and recommended to GCs and engineers who are searching for a qualified installer. To qualify for the 10 or 15-year extended warranties in our Armacell Solutions portfolio packages, the installers must be AQIP certified. Your training plus the job site inspection will make your project eligible for this great benefit. A well-trained crew means the installation gets installed correctly the first time, every time. That leads to fewer callbacks and maintenance headaches and means installing faster and more efficiently on the job site. That helps you meet deadlines and save hours on the job, and that saves you money. Ready to get trained? For details regarding our training program or to schedule an AQIP training, check out the links below. Like and subscribe to our channel. Now remember, when you have questions, Armacell has answers.